Are you looking for the best game tester jobs and want to know how it potentially earn a really good full-time income by testing video games? Then this video is for you. So there are different ways to make money online testing games, and a lot of viewers are interested in earning by testing games and have asked me about how to find the best opportunities for tests. So I decided to record this video where I'll show you 6 game tester jobs. So 6 ways to get this type of jobs. Some of them where you can just join very easily, start earning a little bit of extra, and some of them can even become a really great full-time income. So before we go over the options I want to show you, let's first talk about what you will be doing as a game tester, because you would be testing different video games, of course, but what will you then do when you test them? Well, that depends on the exact job you are getting. But in general, it's about giving feedback and sharing your thoughts about it. Because game developers are looking for improvement, of course, but sometimes it can also be to actually test for bugs and different errors. Then they need to make sure they find before they launch the game. So if they have already been launched, make sure to keep improving them. So that's the type of work you will be doing, and if you need any experience or not, that really depends on the job you find. As mentioned earlier, I'll show you different options. Some of them are super easy. It would be something anyone can do with no experience, no matter what your background is. You just sign up and you will basically start testing a little bit right away. But those options will also not earn you the most. If you want to earn a really great full-time income, in some cases you need some experience or you need certain or specific education. So it all depends on the job, but I'll show you a little bit of everything so then you can find the best option for you no matter your preferences. So just a little warning before I get to these jobs, because video games testing jobs are very popular. And they also means that there are some people trying to scam you and promising huge rewards for little effort and anything like that. So one big way to spot this is if someone asks you to pay to get access to paid tester jobs or something like that. Or we have this tester job and we just need to confirm it, so just pay like $100, $200 and whatever dollar, then you will get access, something like that. Stay away from them. They are trying to scam you. The legit option that I'll show you here, that's not something like that. They will ask you. So that's just a big red flag you need to be aware of, because there are scams like that. But let's now go over this list of different options. It's not a prioritized list because which options are the best really depends on your background and your preferences. So the first great option to find a game tester job is to go to a website called simply